Ama namin, maaari kaya.
Mga tuhod magkabila ang nangangapal kakaluhod sa harapan ng salamin, parang hibang panay ang tanong kung maaari bang mapasakin ka't mapasa iyo ako, yan ang paborito kong dasal. Dalawang patinig lang ang pinag-aasam. Pwede bang ako o nalaan?
Sabihin mo, oo,
makasaya mo hanggaan.
kaya mo, gusto mo.
Mahaba man ang prosesyon sa sambahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo oo.
Try. Tapos sa'yo din. Okay. Pag ginamit nyo yan sa pag-inom, lalong gaganda yung mga girlfriend nyo, pati mga asawa nyo dyan.
In our 19 years together, I'm lucky to have you as my husband. I'm thankful that we're still together in God's guidance. I may not be a perfect wife, but I always try my best to be a good partner and a good mom to our daughter.
Bali si Kathy, napaka maalaga nun. Talagang inuuna niya kami. Priority niya kami lagi. Sinacrifice niya pa nga yung career niya para lang maging housewife na maalagaan niya kami.
Tatlo lang din yung hiniling kong qualities ng magiging asawa ko. Una, yung may takot sa Diyos, walang bisyo, at mapagmahal sa pamilya. At lahat ng yun, nasa iyo. Bonus na lang talaga na mabait ka at gwapo ka.
You've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you through the years.
Stephanie. Thank you. Yan, magagamit niyo yan araw-araw. Yan.
Wow! Ganda! Thank you!
You're welcome.
Ivan, galing Tikat.
Thank you. Thank you, Ni. Nakikita mo akong nagtitingin ng watch ha, kaya watch na binili. Ang ganda. I love you. So after 9 years, we got married in a civil ceremony. It was very simple. Parents lang tsaka mga kapatid ko ang kasama natin. Tapos kumain lang tayo sa Eat All You Can. Kasi I have nothing back then eh. During those years, it was very difficult for a nurse like me to find a job. But you still choose to say yes and be with me. Salamat ni sa pagtitiwala na kaya kong magtagumpay.
The years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you through the years.
Thank you, Ni. Thank you sa gift mo. Magagamit ko to sa mga event or kung saan man pupunta. Thank you. I love you. Hi, Ni. Ito na yung pangarap nating dalawa para sa atin tsaka para sa pamilya natin. Matagal natin itong pinlano tsaka inantay. Masaya ako kasi ito na siya, matutuloy na. Sobrang mahal na mahal kita.
Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years.
Hindi man ako vocal at ganun ka-showy, pero sobrang na-appreciate ko lahat ng sakripisyo at efforts mo para sa amin. Just remember that every time I tell you, I love you, I'm not saying it out of habit. I'm reminding you that you are my life. Mahal na mahal kita ni.
Never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you.
Catherine and Joseph, you are no longer two but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, no human being must separate. Jesus is the source of love, and you need to be connected with Him in order to maintain that love and keep burning through the rest of your lives.
Ama namin, maaari kayang mapasakin pinakaasam. Ama namin, maaari kayang mapasakin pinakaasam. Pwede bang ako na lang? Sabihin mo, oh.